This video, guys, I will show you how to log in on Crunchyroll. So just you need to follow this video till the end. Open first your Crunchyroll like this. And if you want to explore the free trial, you just need to click here. If you want to create an account, click here. If you want to log in, click here. So you have to add your email and your password. For me, I want to create an account. Click create. So I have right now to add my email and my password. Right now I add my email and I add my password. I will click I want latest here. Click create an account. And then it will take me to another page. So if wanna premium, I want just to skip for now. Click yeah. You wanna right now to add a profile. For me, I don't want. I would just choose this one. And that's all, guys. Congratulations, you have an account. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.